Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Based on the time zone at presently you are staying. Once again, I am Selva Krishnamurthy. You know very well, but information technology teacher who is sitting in front of you. This is Java video lesson number 9. I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. In previous lesson, that is Java video lesson number 8. We studied if statement. That means after if, within open bracket, close bracket, one expression will be there. After that, within curly bracket, one statement will be there. That is sequence of statement. If the expression gives true, the statement lies in between open curly bracket, close curly bracket will execute. If the expression gives false, the statement will not execute. That's a very simple. If the expression gives true, that statement will execute. If the expression gives false, that statement will not execute. This is what if. Now we are going to study about if-else statement. That is second form of if. If-else along with else. In this if-else, how to create one program. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. That is Java video lesson number 9. So as usual, now I like to share my screen. This is Java video lesson number 9. If-else statement. First, see the syntax. After if, within open bracket, close bracket, one expression is there. After that, within open curly bracket, close curly bracket, one statement is there. So far, just like if. After that, else is there. After else, just like open curly bracket, close curly bracket, another set of statement. That is set of statement 1, set of statement 2. If else. How it works? We are having only one expression, but two set of statement. The block of code following if, that is statement 1, is executed if the condition, that condition means the expression, if the condition is true, then the block of code following else is executed if the condition is false. In previous lesson, we studied if statement. If the condition or expression gives true, one statement will execute. If the expression gives false, nothing will happen. That's all. But in this if-else, we are having two set of statements. If the condition is true, one set of statement will be executed, another set of statement will be skipped. If condition is false, again one set of statement will be skipped, another set of statement will be executed. Which statement should execute when? That is the question. See, if the expression gives true, the statement follows if, that is statement 1 will execute. The statement follows else, that is statements 2 will be skipped, will not execute. Then, when the expression gives false, statement follows if, that is statement 1 will not execute. Statement follows else will execute. Is it clear? True means statement 1, not statement 2. False means not statement 2, statement 1 will execute. That you must understand. Very simple. Good. Now we see one small program using if-else. See, as usual, I declare one variable under integer data type percentage. Percentage is assigned with 35. Good. So 35 greater than equal to 40. This is one expression involving relational operator or logical operator. the result of this expression will be either true or false. In this case, 35 is assigned with percentage. 35 greater than equal to 40. You know very well, it is false. False means the statement follows if will not execute. See, here pause will not be displayed. But the statement follows else needs to execute. So that is why this statement executed, file is displayed, not passed. That you must understand. In similar way, assume I assign percentage with 55. What will happen? Now percentage contains 55. 55 greater than equal to 40. Now the expression gives true. Then statement lies are followed if should execute. That is, you will get passed. Output should be passed. The statement follows else will not execute. So this statement will not execute. Very simple. Okay, the set of statement executed is based on either the condition gives true or false. That is if else statement. Now this is the time to write one small program. That is same program whatever we studied now. I will open my NetBeans here. Using NetBeans, I will create the same program. Then we can understand more. So I like to close previous project. So I hope all of you know how to create a new project because we are having so many programs so far. So now I like to give Java program 9, then finish. So multi-line command as well as single line command should be removed first. This is removed, this is removed, multi-line commands needs to be removed, single line commands needs to be removed here. So main function we need, inside the main function I need to write a small program, same program, percentage equal to 35. After that one if, within bracket I need one expression involving relational operator or logical operator. Now I proceed with relational operator. Then after that, within curly bracket, we need one statement, system dot out dot println. I like to display past. So far, same whatever we studied in previous lesson, that is if statement. So each and every statement should be enclosed with semicolon. After that, I put else here. Within curly bracket, I need to type one more statement, that is system dot out dot println. Here 5. That's a very simple. Each and every statement should be enclosed with semicolon. Very simple. If the condition gives true, this statement will execute, this will not execute. The condition is false, this will not execute, this will execute. Fine. Now I like to save the program. I just run the program to see the output. So we got 5. How we got 5? See, here percentage is assigned with 35. 35 greater than equal to 40, it gives false. That means statement follows if will not execute. Statement follows else is execute. That is why we got 5. I like to give number 55 here. Okay, we will see the output. See it here. Percentage is assigned with 55. 55 greater than equal to 40. Now condition gives true. That means statement follows if needs to execute. That is why we got passed as the output. Statement follows else will not execute. This statement is skipped. This statement executed. Very simple. Now we can proceed with our PPT. This is a time for recap. Very simple. Number 1. When using if else statement, when the expression gives true, the block of code following if is executed and the block of code following else is not executed. True means if statement execute, else will not execute. Number two, when using if else statement, when the expression gives false, the block of statement following if is not executed and the block of code following else is executed. If the expression is false, if statement will not execute, else statement will execute. That's all very simple. Now we are having question bank as usual. Still, if you have doubt, you can pause the video, play back, understand the video lesson, and then try to answer the question. Question number 1. When using if else statement, when the expression gives dash, dash means either it will be true or false. We have to find out. The block of code following if is executed. See, for statement following if is executed and the block of statement following else is not executed. When the statement following if will execute, simple, yes, you are right. When the condition gives true, the answer is true. When using if else statement, when the expression gives true, the block of code following if is executed and the block of code following else is not executed. See question number 2, try to answer. When using if else statement, say if else statement, when expression gives false, now expression gives false. The block of code following if is dash. That means we have to find out either it will execute, not execute. And the block of code following else is dash. 2 dashes are there. You need to fill it up. Execute or not execute. See, your expression gives false. That means following statement if will not execute. That means not execute. The block of code following else is executed. Good. So now I go. All of you understand today's lesson. You are very much familiar with if statement as well as if else statement. Today I stopped here itself. Next lesson we will study little bit more. Until then, thank you students. Bye bye. Have a nice good day.